Hey there everyone, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today I am bringing you guys a new video. I am sorry for the lack of videos in the last over a week. It's just I've been busy a little bit, and there really hasn't been that much news on RC recently for me to be making any videos about, and I really haven't been doing that much RC stuff, to be completely honest. But don't worry guys, I still love it. I've been keeping up with the RC news. I was thinking about making a video on the new low C 10 scale buggy, but because I don't race it that much, I didn't really feel like covering it. But it's definitely still a cool buggy though, and I definitely think you guys should check it out. But today we're going to be doing a couple of things. Well, mostly one thing, but we're going to be addressing something before we get to that. So if you guys haven't heard, the Traxxas Raptor R is like not on Traxxas's website anymore. It's gone. If you guys saw the Mark Santa Maria video, you basically know the deal. There's been a lot of discussion on whether it's going to be completely gone. Honestly, it didn't really seem like a limited time item as much as it was going to be a permanent one, but you know, who knows. And just as some further proof, guys, here is the Traxxas website. Usually it would be in the $500 tier, but as you can see, there is no Raptor to be found here, although they are still making the two-wheel drive Raptor. You might have scrolled past it. So yeah, Traxxas still has the two-wheel drive Raptor. They just don't have the Raptor R, which is also the newer generation compared to that one. But yeah, basically this is the only Raptor that they have available now. So yeah, if you guys have one of these, make sure that you hold on to them because they might be worth something later. Who knows? But honestly, for me, I'm gonna keep mine really just because I think it's like one of the best RCs like ever made, and it's also just really cool looking. So now on to the actual like thing that we're gonna be doing in this video. Basically at Hard Round 5, we blew out, we kind of started to chew up these gears in the back, the ring and pinion. Pretty common thing to happen on these Mugen truggies. Honestly, the most common thing, but you know, it's just sort of a part of the deal. And I've honestly probably replaced like at least a half dozen of these by this point. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we got it out. Pretty messy. I did not use the correct grease, but I used what I could get. Comparing this gear to the fresh one, it might not be coming through entirely on camera. Try to make it focus at least a little bit. You might be able to notice that on here, the teeth are slightly more like round compared to that one. It has sort of a more like solid look to it, I guess. And looking in there, it doesn't look too bad. It's kind of moving it around and stuff. It looks honestly like this one like got out a little bit cleaner, but we're still gonna replace both of them anyway, really just because you're supposed to replace both of them, and it would honestly kind of be cheap if I didn't. So yeah. All right, so it took me a little bit longer than I expected, really just because I forgot to put a shim on this side. I'm honestly, I need to make a new order anyway for new parts because usually I have a spare ring and pinion anyway, so I'm gonna make an order for that plus some bearings just because I know that those go out easy. But yeah, now that it's all back together, it's time to take it outside and test it out and see if it made a difference. All right, got whatever sweep tires these are, and the Z5200 half charged. Let's go. All right, outside in the parking lot, let's do it. All right, so basically what we're looking for here is just listening for our clicks from the back. This is a pretty high traction surface. It definitely sounds a lot better than it did before. Yeah, guys, it seems pretty solid. Let's get it up to the line and do a launch. A little more even there. All right, from the line. All right, y'all, so it seems like the gears have made a difference. I really should have replaced the other bearing on the other side as well, but honestly, for the time being, I think this should do. Yeah, let's do a wheelie. All right, y'all, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed going through it with me and replacing that gear in the back, because it was definitely needed. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a like and subscribe on YouTube, follow on all the other stuff, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.